Hi there, I'm Mohammed, the CEO and founder of VISXA. Immigration is a very complex problem that have been left for decades unsolved, and it's getting out of control despite the technology that's already available to make the whole process much more simple, fair, affordable, and more seamless. I don't think governments will be very keen to solve such huge problem. We here at VISXA are trying to address that huge opportunity to solve the problem with a different perspective, starting from finding the right advice until applying for visas globally, worldwide. The world, especially post-pandemic, has seen how the current immigration process are very fragile and not ready for the future, including any possible global problems such as climate change, new pandemics, and political instability. We will start with addressing a very simple problem: connecting travelers and immigrants with immigration experts and travel experts. We are currently building the MVP that make this connection. We'll make it very price transparency, will save time, and will make the process itself is very simple. Join us at VISXA to make immigration much more easier and simpler and affordable. Thank you so much for watching.